because I feel like this has got to be a tough time to get on the schedule of somebody like you, because I know this time of year is busy for anyone in your role. Anybody that's in the role of managing technology for a school district, the start of the school year must be a mad dash. I bet you are just going, minute by minute, just always moving around, trying to get new tech into your school's classrooms.
Yeah, you're spot on. I mean, quite honestly, teachers, summer, for teachers and other folks inside the school, the summertime is traditionally, and I'm a former teacher, right? So I can speak this. I know what this is like. Typically, you get to June, you've got 2-3 months where you're still doing school stuff. You're still prepping for the next school year, but it's kind of winding down. The technology side, we're full blast, and we've been that way really since probably May or June. And in the summertime, we're really trying to not just provide the service of making, your kind of everyday average technology calls throughout the district, but you're also looking down the road. And so you're really trying to deploy new tech, repair old tech, infrastructure, content filter, tech tools for teachers and staff. So absolutely, you're spot on. It is a busy time of year. My phone is on stun right now, so you have my complete attention. And but I'm excited to be here today.